Good morning, class 4. Welcome back to the part 2 of chapter 3 Tools of Word 2010 Editing a Document. In the previous class, we read about what is editing a document, copy and paste, cut and paste. The shortcut key of copy is Ctrl plus C, paste Ctrl plus V, and for cut Ctrl plus X. We also read about undo and redo. The shortcut key of undo is Ctrl plus Z and redo is Ctrl plus Y. Today we will discuss how to delete text in MS Word. So kids, basically there are two ways of deleting a text. In the screen you are able to see a diagram that is depicting the two ways of deleting a text. Kids, to the left of the insertion point in Word, you have to use the backspace key. I repeat, to delete any text to the left of the insertion point in Word, you are required to delete the backspace key, and to delete any text to the right of the insertion point, you are required to delete the delete key of the keyboard. Kids, this is very important topic for your exam purpose. Okay, now moving on towards our next topic. This is the very important plus a very good feature of Microsoft Word, that is check spelling and grammar. Kids, it is a feature that you can say a decent feature of Microsoft Word, which enables us to search and correct all the spelling and any type of mistake, that is grammar mistake, in our document. Kids, our Microsoft Word is very intelligent. It itself identify any type of misspelled or misused, or you can say grammar errors itself. Kids, Microsoft Word, in the case of any type of spelling error, shows a red underline beneath that misspelled error, and it shows a green underline beneath those words which are grammatically wrong. I repeat, Microsoft Word underlines red beneath spelling error and a green underline beneath grammar error. Kids, this is a very important topic. You should note it down in your notebook. Kids, in your screen you are able to see there are three boxes. First box is showing spell check and grammar, and the two other box showing review tab and right click. These are the two ways of using spell check and grammar feature of Microsoft Word. So let's see how spell check and grammar works in Microsoft Word practically by these two ways. Kids, let's see practically how the feature of checking spelling and grammar of Microsoft Word works. Kids, in the screen you are able to see a Microsoft Word document. As we have discussed that a red underline is displayed beneath the spelling error. So there are lots of spelling error are displaying here. Okay. So first of all we will look through review tab. From here, now spelling and grammar. I'm clicking on it. See, here we are able to see that spellings which are wrong, that are displaying, that is India, okay, suggestions are India, Indian, okay, and spellings options, ignore once, ignore all, add to dictionary, change all, autocorrect. So we will click on this change all option now. Now you are able to see that this spelling of India is now corrected. Now we close this dialog box. See, the spelling of India is now corrected. Okay, so this is how spell check and grammar works. Kids, now see, check spelling and grammar through right click option. You are able to see here that is a shared spelling is wrong. So I am just right clicking over this word and see, it is showing the correct word. For example, autocorrect. Just go over it and click. See, it is now corrected. Now kids, we will learn about thesaurus. Thesaurus is a feature in our Microsoft Word. It helps us to look up synonyms, that is different word with the same meaning. In Microsoft Word, we can look up a word quickly if we right click anywhere in the document. Okay, and it shows the different words of the same meaning. Okay, now kids, we are completed this chapter 3. I will give you the exercise question along with the extra questions in our next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.